Right now, our homes are our sanctuaries, but if you have windows and doors that need to be replaced, your home is probably not as comfortable and secure as it could be. Joining us now is Paige Ewell, local owner of Renewal by Anderson. And Paige, you and your team can help with that if you're not feeling safe in your home.
Yes, we can help. First of all, like I say, our Renewal by Anderson windows are made out of Fibrex material, which is considered the gold standard of window replacement materials. Another cool thing about our windows is, the weather stripping system that we have is like a compression seal, similar to like what you have on a refrigerator door. So we can help prevent those allergens, those drafts, and things like that coming in this time of year.
All right, I want to go back to that safe thing. Your windows are custom built, and that makes a difference as well, doesn't it?
Makes a huge difference. If you go to a store and buy a stock size window, there's a very slight chance a window's going to fit perfectly. When you get a window, you don't want to have to modify your house to make the window work. So we custom make everything. We can get this down to a 1/16 of an inch. I mean, that's how precise we can make our windows. So you don't have to worry about modifying your house. We're going to put that window in the opening. We've seen it all. We're going to make sure it fits. You don't have to remove any siding or worry about having to cover some big gaps on the side. So it's better to let a professional do it that can actually custom make this window.
Well, Paige, you and your team, your full service replacement window division of Anderson, that does make a big difference in the quality, doesn't it?
Well, it makes a huge difference. Well, first of all, Anderson is now our parent company. Has been in business 117 years. So think about that time frame. They've seen it all. So we're prepared for times like this. Unfortunately, you could probably spend a lot of time calling some other contractors and maybe they weren't quite as prepared. It may take weeks or maybe even months for somebody to come out. And the thing is about us, if you call us today, we can get out there within 48 hours to take a look at what you have. And then from that point on, we can handle everything from the sales, the manufacturing, the installation, and the warranty and the service of it.
Well, I know you have a very special offer to tell us about now that fits this situation we're in. So give us the info on that, please.
All right, we sure do, Bill. So right now, we have, if you buy one window or patio door, you get the next one 40% off. But I think the most important part about this deal, not only is it huge savings, but we're very sensitive to times like this. People think whether I can afford it or not. So we're doing no interest, no payments at all until the year 2022.
Wow. We're not real excited about having people in our house right now. And you've also got a plan to kind of answer that question, don't you?
Yes, we sure do. We closely monitor the CDC guidelines. We've been enacting those, procedures since they've been released. So I know a lot of our customers don't feel comfortable having a stranger into their home. So there's a few things we can do, but what's become pretty popular is we have virtual appointments where we come out and we'll do no contact. We can maybe come out and measure your windows from the outside, take a look at everything. And then we can set up a time where you can just, if you have a tablet or a computer, if you can do like what we're doing right now, we can go through the whole presentation and you don't have to worry about ever coming in contact with anybody. And it's been pretty popular. Customers have loved the service we're providing with that.
Well, you mentioned that 2022 date, and there are lots of different financing plans available, correct?
There sure are. So again, we're sensitive to the times that what's going on right now. So we do have different plans. People are surprised how they think they only want to do 4 or 5 windows because that's all they can afford. And all of a sudden we look at the whole house, and with our different plans, we call it our Easy Pay program. We can sometimes make the whole house so affordable that, our customers are amazed that they thought they were only going to do 4 or 5. Now, hey, we're doing 12, 15 windows, and the payment program has made it all affordable for them. I mean, we actually have a lot of people that intended to pay cash or by a credit card or check. And once they see the different options that we offer, they decided, hey, your financing plan is better than anything that's available out there.
Well, Paige, thanks for taking some time for us today and giving us all that special information. By the way, nice windows and doors behind you there.
Yeah, that's some Anderson patio doors right there.
All right, Renewal by Anderson is offering virtual appointments and a special offer. Buy one window or door and get 40% off your next one, plus 0 down, 0 payments, and 0 interest until 2022. For more information, please call 1-800-589-6633 or visit brandyoutrust.com. Stay with us for Jimmy This Morning. We'll be back after a quick break.